So here is a demo shows how our Luneburg lens works. In this configuration, we have mounted 3 antenna face on the surface of Luneburg lens. They are located at a different location on the surface. So in this case, they will be radiating to different directions. So for example, the first antenna face will be able to radiate, send a directional beam radiating to this direction. The second antenna will be able to radiate to this direction, and the third antenna will be radiating to this direction. So these 3 antenna faces are connected to 3 different signal sources, and they are sending out signal at different frequencies. So we'll be able to distinguish them from the spectrum analyzer. So the spectrum analyzer, we use the horn antenna to receive the signal, and they use spectrum analyzer to look at signals. So for example, if I'm standing here looking at this direction, so I'm able to see, you can see from spectrum analyzer, we see the signal coming from the first frequency, that's from the first signal source. If I move the direction to here, you can see we are receiving the signal for the second frequency, which is coming from the second signal source. If I move the location to direction to here, we'll be able to receive signal from the third antenna source. So from the results also we can see for each direction we are only receiving the signal from a single signal source. That means we have a pretty good isolation between the signal for different beams. That means our antenna has a pretty good directional beam.